that, let me go across to my colleague Uday Pratap Singh for the latest news coming in from Maharashtra.
Hello, I'm Uday Pratap Singh. You're joining us on Next in Maharashtra, a special segment where we bring you the latest from India's financial capital. Here's what's making the headlines in Maharashtra this week. In a green milestone, Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has inaugurated the first ever Mumbai Climate Week, accelerating the state's climate action plan. Watch this special report.
Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis inaugurated the first ever Mumbai Climate Week on February 17, 2026 at the Jio World Convention Centre in Bandra. The three-day event marks India's first dedicated platform for metropolitan-scale climate action focusing on the Global South. During the event, Chief Minister Fadnavis emphasized that climate action is key to economic competitiveness, investment attraction and job creation. Maharashtra is committed to balancing industrial growth with environmental protection, accelerating its climate action plan through green energy, electric mobility, green infrastructure, waste management, circular economy, water conservation and coastal resilience. The Chief Minister highlighted Maharashtra's roadmap to achieve 84 gigawatt installed power capacity by 2030, with over 51% from green sources. He positioned Mumbai as a gateway for climate finance to the Global South and stressed that green transition will create new investment opportunities in renewable energy, green hydrogen, clean tech, and resilient infrastructure.
Deputy Chief Minister Sunitra Pawar has shared a key review meeting to boost minority welfare and inclusive upliftment. Here's a report.
Supporting Maharashtra's commitment towards minority welfare, Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister and Minority Development Minister Sunitra Ajit Pawar chaired a comprehensive review meeting of the Minority Development Department. The Deputy CM directed officials to ensure fair, transparent and equitable distribution of funds allocated for minority communities across all eligible groups. Deputy CM Sunitra Pawar stressed the government's commitment to the social, economic, educational and cultural upliftment of minority communities. She instructed swift and effective implementation of scholarships, hostels, loan schemes, subsidy programs, skill development initiatives and basic infrastructure projects. Addressing unemployment among minority youth, Deputy Chief Minister Sunitra Pawar directed the department to launch large-scale skill upgradation programs to make them employable. She emphasized making departmental processes more accessible, accountable and people-oriented for greater outreach and impact.
In other news, the Global Economic Cooperation 2026 event was launched in Mumbai, positioning India and Maharashtra as trust centers in multipolar trade and investment. Take a look.
Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis and External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar jointly inaugurated the Global Economic Cooperation 2026 event in Mumbai. Fadnavis described India's growth as the result of deep structural reforms, not coincidence, positioning the country as a decisive engine in global trade, supply chains, energy, semiconductors, AI, and shifting geopolitical equation. The Chief Minister highlighted that in a multipolar world, India is emerging as a center of trust and stability, driving effective cooperation across critical sectors while balancing economic sovereignty with self-reliance and collaboration. CM Fadnavis underscored Maharashtra's pivotal role, contributing 14 to 15% to India's GDP, nearly 20% of industrial production, and handling over 60% of West Coast container traffic through its ports. As India's financial capital, Mumbai hosts the RBI, BSE, NSE, NPCI, and other key institutions, making Maharashtra the strong pillar of India's inspiring development narrative.